ready. I can survive this damn storm. The snowstorm. You see, I'm bundled up in this junk. I mean, van action. See, I'm about to keep it a little warm too. I got the cooler, you know what I mean? You can't really see though. 27 degrees out this junk, man. Fuck the ice. Strap this motherfucker up. Look at this. First snowstorm. I gotta get up out of here. Whew. It's cold. Oh, it ain't even that cold. Fucking 30 foot, man, this shit ain't gonna stick. Let's get up. Nigga went to sleep and ain't even finished. Oh, shit. Ain't that bad. Whew.